Good morning, students. Get ready for science class. Okay. Yesterday, I was discuss this topic: water, rainwater harvesting, and air. So today, I will discuss light, temperature, soil. Okay. Then I I starting the topic light. Next factor is light, which plays is very important role, because as we all know as we all know that the sun is ultimate source of energy, and sun rises in the morning and sets in the evening. No doubt we all know that sun is stationary. It is the earth which moves, but still we say that sun rises in the morning and sets in the evening. And due to the sunlight, the green plants are capable to prepare on food by the process known as photosynthesis. When now sun comes out in the morning, the light of the sun, it falls on each and every part our earth and the falls on the forest, water bodies also, the land also. So water, many aquatic plants and aquatic, so in the water many aquatic plants and aquatic animals, they live. So when the light falls on the water body, the aquatic plants take the light, and by the help of photosynthesis they prepare their own food. So in the forest, what happens when we talk about the dense forest, means बहुत घना forest के बारे में जब हम बात करते हैं, तो when you go deeper in the forest, you can see the light in the dense forest is very less, because the canopy of the trees is too much. The light is not capable to reach on the ground. So here there's some difficulty for the plants to survive. Otherwise, even a single rays of the light is a capable plants and some animals to survive a proper way. When you see some flowers, they can open properly in the morning, like sunflower, the morning glory, and other name is ipomia. Okay, these flowers open in the morning, and sunset they also fall down. The petals fall down, means they closed. The sunflower always faces the sun. In the morning it faces the east, in the evening it turns toward the west playing. Okay, so light is the playing important role opening and closing flower. Okay, now we talk about the animal. Some animals come out the night, like cockroach, bats, owls, they come out the night. So most of the animals are active during the day when there is light. And then very important, the next topic is the temperature. Firstly, I was discuss light. Okay, next is the temperature. So what is temperature? Temperature mean गर्म नहीं होता. Temperature is a degree of hotness and degree of coldness both. Temperature means गर्म नहीं होता है. Temperature is a degree of hotness and degree of coldness both. The measure by the device, it is known as the thermometer. When we talk about the desert condition, so desert is very hot, and when we talk about the polar regions are very cold. Okay, So in types of the environment, either it is the desert region or a polar region, different plants and animals are seen according to the temperature. Like it, you see the desert, camels are there, lizards are there, they live in desert condition. Okay, when we talk about the polar region, polar bear, penguin, and the warm regions, tiger, elephants. So when we talk about the cows, cows can tolerate the hot weather better than the buffaloes. काउस कैन टॉलरेट होता है बेटा सहन करना, मतलब उसके अडप्टेड, उसके अनुकूलित हो, उसके अडप्शन के अकॉर्डिंग अपने आप को कन्वर्ट कर लेना। जैसे हम लोग क्या करते हैं, सर्दियों में जब हम बहुत ज़्यादा विंटर होती है तो हम लोग उस अकॉर्डिंग हम लोग अपने आप को उसको टॉलरेट कर लेते हैं अपने आप को। और वैसे ही अगर समर आती है तो भी हम उस एनवायरनमेंट को अडप्ट कर लेते हैं। तो सो काउस कैन टॉलरेट द हॉट वेदर बेटर देन बफेलोज। ओके, दिस इज we often see buffaloes cooling themselves in ponds during summer. This is because buffaloes are black in color and do not have efficient sweat glands. Okay, do not have efficient sweat glands. Okay, and on the other hand, we will talk about the camel. Camel can tolerate even the extreme heat of the desert, but they have no sweat glands. Okay, they have not sweat glands. This help in reducing the loss of water from their body. They can live without water for many days. Okay, इसका मतलब ये होगा कि हम एक काउज एंड बफेलो के बीच में अगर कंपेयर करते हैं तो काउ जो है इट कैन टॉलरेट हॉट वेदर कंपेयर टू बफेलोज, बिकॉज बफेलो में स्वेट ग्लैंड एफिशिएंट अमाउंट में होती है। लेकिन आप कैमल से कंपेयर करेंगे तो यू नो कैमल हैव नो स्वेट ग्लैंड्स, बट कैमल डोंट हैव एनी स्वेट ग्लैंड्स। कैमल में एक भी स्वेट ग्लैंड नहीं होती है। ओके, सो नेक्स्ट इन द टॉपिक इंटरेक्शन इन द एनवायरमेंट। सो plants and animals are interdependent, their food relationships. Okay, there are animals that feed on the plant, so such animals are eaten by other animals which in turn are eaten by some other animals. This is food chain. Okay, आपने देखा होगा ग्रास जो है, डियर जो है ग्रास को खाता है और लॉयन जो है डियर को खाता है। तो ग्रास इज ए प्रोड्यूसर, डियर इज ए प्राइमरी कंज्यूमर एंड लॉयन इज ए सेकेंडरी कंज्यूमर। ओके, दिस इज ए एग्जाम्पल। ओके, ओके बेटा, थैंक यू।